Yep.
Hey, good morning. Or is it afternoon?
Yeah, it's getting close to afternoon. You want me to film it?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, is it filming now? Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is my replacement.
Uh-huh. It looks good in the air.
Yeah, I've been pleased with this particular model since I got the first one.
Mm-hmm.
I just really like the fly state.
Yeah.
And I'm trying these exercises to get that, build up that muscle memory.
Mm-hmm.
You didn't look too far out.
Just give it some left the other end. Oh. There you go. A little close there.
Yeah. Yeah, a little closer than I had intended. I'm still trying to keep myself from over controlling.
Mm-hmm.
And making slow circuits instead of
Yeah.
rushing into it. So what you been up to this morning?
Just brought my wingola here so I can get a few flights with it. I'll probably fly it at the fun fly.
Uh-huh.
So I wanted to check it out a bit.
Let me try to turn the phone. Oh, 30 GPS mode. Turn the phone.
You want me to stop the video?
Yeah.